You're listening to Simwaton from bizsupportonline.net. This InfoPath video is a demonstration of how you can upload images to a SharePoint picture library or attach them to SharePoint list items, and then afterwards download the images for use in other InfoPath forms. Here I'm in SharePoint 2013, where I'm going to be demonstrating a couple of solutions that make use of images. Images which are stored either in a SharePoint picture library or which have been attached to SharePoint list items. For the first solution, I'm going to be uploading images to this Office application SharePoint list and attaching them to a particular list item. If I open an item, for instance Word, you'll see that there is already one image attached to the Word list item, and that is that image there. If I open PowerPoint, you'll see that there are no images attached to the PowerPoint list item. And if I open InfoPath, you'll see that InfoPath has 3 images attached to it. So I'm going to be using this solution to upload and attach an item to that, an image to that PowerPoint SharePoint list item. So as soon as the InfoPath form opens, you'll see that this drop-down list box will contain the names of the Office application. So I'll go ahead and select PowerPoint, and then I'll enter a file name here, PowerPoint.png, and then I'll select the PNG file for PowerPoint and then attach it. Click the upload image button. Once the image has been uploaded, what I'll do is I'll go and check whether it has been attached to that PowerPoint SharePoint list item. So again, I'll open the PowerPoint list item, and as you can see here, we've got PowerPoint.png attached to that SharePoint list item. Once you have uploaded and attached images to SharePoint list items, you may want to download those images for display in a different form. And for that, we'll be using this solution here. So as soon as I click New Document to open a new form, you'll see that this drop-down list box will contain the names of the Office applications again. So I can just select one of these, and then the images will be downloaded and retrieved from that SharePoint list. Once I've done that, these images will appear here in this table, and then I can click Select to copy the image over to a different picture control on the form. For items that have more than one image attached to them, you'll get multiple images downloaded and displayed in this table. And then again, you can click Select on any one of these images to copy them over to a different picture control on the InfoPath form. The second thing I want to demonstrate is uploading images to a SharePoint picture library. For that, I'll be using this MyPics SharePoint picture library, which, as you can see, currently contains 4 images and no image for PowerPoint. I'll be uploading an image for PowerPoint by using this solution here. So I'll click New Document, and then I'll just enter the details for the MyPics picture library. I'll upload it to the root folder, so I'll leave that empty. Again, enter a name, PowerPoint.png, and select the PNG file. And because the image does not yet already exist in the SharePoint picture library, I'll leave this no selected and click Upload Image. Once the image has been uploaded, I'll go to the MyPics picture library. And check whether the image is present. And as you can see here, we've got our PowerPoint image. Once you have uploaded images to a picture library, you may want to use them in other InfoPath forms. And that is what this solution demonstrates. So again, I'll add a new form. When the form opens, you'll see this drop-down list box containing the names of the images that are stored in that MyPics SharePoint picture library. So then I can just go ahead and select an image, and you'll see that the image will be displayed on the InfoPath form. A second way to select or display images from a picture library would be to navigate sequentially through those images, and that is what this solution does. As soon as the InfoPath form opens, you'll see that it'll display the first image. Then you can click next to navigate to the next image and continue clicking next until you reach the very last image. And then again, you can click previous to go back, or click next to move forward again, and navigate this way back and forth through the images stored in the SharePoint picture library.